Namaskar. Honorable Justice Sandeep Mehta ji, Honorable Chief Justice of Gauhati High Court, Honorable Justice Susmita Phukang Khaundangriani, Honorable Justice Malasri Nandi Dangriani, Honorable former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Justice M.K. Sharma ji, respected Deposit Lon Soike Dangoria, Advocate General, Assam, respected Diganta Raj Dangoria, respected Chinmay Chaudhary Dangoria, respected Taduk Tana Taraji, respected A.R. Malhotra ji, respected C.T. Jamir ji, and respected legal luminaries present here today, ladies and gentlemen, and my media friends. Today is a great day, memorable day for all of us because Gauhati High Court is celebrating Platinum Jubilee celebration. And I believe this is memorable as because we are all emotionally, sentimentally, judiciary, we are connected with this particular beautiful institution. I deem it a great honor to be here amidst this august gathering at the Platinum Jubilee celebration function of Gauhati High Court. I am thankful to the Honorable Chief Justice Sandeep Mehta ji for his kind invitation. I congratulate the Honorable Chief Justice, judges and the legal fraternity and the staff of Gauhati High Court and the people of Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland on this historic occasion. The Gauhati High Court has come a long way since its inception on 5th of April 1948. It was then called Court of Assam. Since its inception, the Gauhati High Court has been continuing its crusade for justice in northeastern India. It has earnestly carried out its tasks in this region despite the various laws and customs of the region. The celebration of Platinum Jubilee is also an occasion to remember all those great judges who sat on the bench and all those great lawyers who appeared in court and helped in dispensation of justice. Landmark judgments and passed by the court during the last 75 years have strengthened the legal and constitutional framework of our country. The bench and the bar of the Gauhati High Court are known for their intellectual wisdom and legal scholarship. With each passing decade, the Gauhati High Court has been served by judges and lawyers who have provided intellectual depth, vigor, and vitality. The list of legal luminaries who adorn bench and bar of the Gauhati High Court is long, names of judges and the lawyers because for paucity of time. Moreover, it is not possible to mention all the names as the number of those falling in the category of great judges and eminent lawyer is very large. We are lucky that some of them are present here and are part of this august gathering. I salute and bow my hat in the memory of all those who are no more and those who are present here to give blessing to this occasion. In a democratic polity, one of the crucial preconditions of good governance is the availability of an effective justice delivery system. The Supreme Court, the High Court, and the lower courts are the medium through which the Constitution envisages the dispensation of justice. I am sure the high tradition set by this illustrious jurist will continue to inspire the present and future generation of the legal fraternity in the state. In this constitutional scheme, it is the parliament that enact laws, the executive implement them, and the judiciary is the independent arbitrator interpreting them. The Constitution imposes a sacred duty upon all these three organs to be sensitive both to the Constitution as also to the hopes and aspiration of the people. Democracy in India to thrive and excel, it is therefore very important that legislature, judiciary and executive must work hand in hand in the interest of the people of the country. After all, democracy is all about people and supreme power is held by the people. India today is experiencing rapid progress in all sectors under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I am happy to note that in this transformative journey of the country, all the four pillars of Indian democracy are working cohesively, giving utmost priority to public welfare and public interest. In this context, I would like to highlight a few points. Considering that the judicial infrastructure plays an important contribution in justice delivery, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has taken up time-bound initiative to strengthen the judicial infrastructure of the country. Over 9 years, in the last 9 years' time, over 9,000 crores rupees are being spent to modernize the judicial infrastructure. The number of court heads in the country has also increased. During last 9 years, e-courts has transformed the conventional way of governance, and in the meantime, it successfully completed 2 phases. I am happy to inform that the Union government in its budget 2023-24 has announced rupees 7,000 crores, third phase of e-court. It is indeed a massive allocation to create paperless court for faster delivery of justice. Meanwhile, to keep pace with current development in the arbitration space and to enable arbitration as a viable dispute resolution mechanism, the Indian arbitration law has undergone several amendments in the last 9 years. Steps are also being initiated for easy and affordable justice to the poor through steps like writing of laws in simpler language, promoting judicial functioning in local languages. The customary tribal justice system has been playing a pivotal role among the tribal communities, but Unfortunately, this system has been declining first under descending circumstances. This system needs to be revived and given due recognition. I feel that the first prerequisite for an effective synergy between the tribal justice system and the regular justice system is the dedicated efforts at codification of customary law of tribal communities. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Honorable Chief Justice and judges in the legal fraternity of Gauhati High Court and those associated with the Law Research Institute, Gauhati High Court, for bringing out the 6 books on customary laws on Ravas, Tiwas, Jiminaga, Boru, Nishis, Halams community. I once again wish to convey my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice for the opportunity provided to me to share my thoughts with this distinguished gathering here. I deeply recognize the noble endeavor and initiative taken by Gauhati High Court. This kind of initiative definitely going to inspire our traditional system of existence, particularly the value exists there in our traditional system. Nowadays, as you all aware, that traditional system of medicine is drawing the attention of the global society. And this particular method of treatment, helping out the people from the preservation of health, promotion of health, and prevention of disease. Along with the modern system of medicine, this traditional system of medicine is also going to play a big role for the prevention of disease and preservation of human health. So that is why, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, under his guidance, we are both the system working together with an integrated effort, modern and traditional, on the same principle as you have today given me an opportunity to release 6 books based on customary laws. This is the way to inspire our tradition, our traditional values, traditional skill, and traditional way of living with beauty of mind, beauty of thought, beauty of relationship, beauty of existence as a whole. And that is why I am especially thankful to the Honorable Chief Justice of Gauhati High Court with all his colleagues, because this particular initiative will always inspire the young generation to learn the language of our civilization, to learn the language of our value system, to learn the language of our natural potentialities. Because nowadays we are all banking on the advanced science and technology for our growth. We all appreciate it. We'll have to take the shelter, take the support of advanced science and technology, innovation, incubation, etc., etc. But at the same time, we'll have to keep in our mind that this particular nature is meant for creation. If nature existence is there, if we could preserve our nature, ecology and environment, then the comfortable existence of creation is possible. Otherwise, if we believe that we are simply to bank on our economic growth at the cost of ecology and environment, then we'll be losing our ground of comfortable existence of life. So that is why I believe this value system need to be preserved and protected. And I believe this is what you are all doing, because our wisdom, our knowledge, our skill is very much there in our traditional system. But that is to be discovered through a proper process of study and research to develop the evidence of science so that modern society can accept it without any hesitation. With these few words, I again extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you present here today. I really appreciate your service to the nation, service to the people, service to the mankind. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. It is always a pleasure to listen to you.